How else to understand in a restaurant that a man is a bad lover? Sexologist dispelled 3 myths. Often a woman judges a companion by the attention he pays to her. But the expert advises to rely on other points. Women's forums are full of tips that explain how to find out how good a man is in bed. You can understand it even in a restaurant, and there are many examples. Someone is sure that if a man is in a hurry to eat, he will also behave in bed. And others read a potential lover if he does not want to look after a woman or is not generous enough. It is no secret that each of us carries a certain energy. Sometimes it happens so, outwardly a person is beautiful, well-groomed, with a beautiful body, but you cannot relax with him. There is a pause. It is clearly not close. Complex characters who constantly criticize themselves and everyone around them should also be avoided. It is possible that such a character can get to your imperfect folds on the body during sex, the expert says. Just deny the markers by which women try to identify bad lovers on forums. She dispelled the most popular myths. Myth number 1, greedy, bad in bed and stingy with emotions. It is not at all a fact that a stingy man will be bad in bed. Sex is free, so he can come off to the fullest. But you will have to endure a lot in bed, because it is such characters who declare the mercantilism of women and value the reproductive organ very much, believing that this is the highest reward for a woman. You will not see anything else from such a man. He is sure that flowers will wither, diamonds are for snobs. Such a lover prefers unpretentious, independent, but very well-groomed women. And if a man understands that no investments are required, he can show himself in all his glory. Although contacting them is not a grateful thing, says the sexologist. If he does not take care during lunch, he will be hasty and inattentive in bed. Lunch is lunch, and in intimate moments an animal instinct wakes up in a person. And how he implements it depends not on his etiquette, but only on his relaxation and ability to enjoy. Who knows how to receive, will certainly share this moment with you. Myth number 3, a man hurries things. He will hurry in sex. This does not mean that sex will be bad, but only that he wants you as a woman. It also emphasizes that he is only interested in sex. This is the category of married men. They are not interested in relationships and commitments, so in bed he can give his best, says the sexologist. But the key moment of the date is the way a man kisses, which will reveal all the cards. If your companion kisses lousy, write it off. A strange, bright kiss that will blow both your heads off is 100% a sign of your perfect sex, because you are compatible, the sexologist concluded.